Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released and you are right now looking for the option to enable or disable the sprint assist in Black Ops 6. So first go to your settings tab, then go down to the third option to controller, and now you have 4 main categories. First controller, then aiming, then the movement and the combat. Click on the third option, the movement category, and now the first option is already the sprint assist. Click on or tactical sprint, and you can even click on show more to enable an assist delay and also to turn the assist sideways and backwards separately on or off. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.